Hi there everyone, welcome to Tech Cravers. Every now and then I come across different tech and gadgets that catch my eye. And a few weeks ago I saw a $20 Chinese clone of the Apple Watch Ultra that immediately caught my interest. Fans of this channel might know that I'm a big Apple fan and that I use my Apple Watch Ultra every day. So when I saw this $20 version, I simply had to get it. Now of course what you see in front of you now is not a $20 Apple Watch. This is the original $800 version, and in this video I thought I would compare it to the cheaper Chinese one. So I ordered it and it actually arrived surprisingly fast. I think it showed up at my doorstep after just 10 days. And here it is, the Watch 8 Ultra Low Power Consumption. If that's the name, I'm not really sure. We'll just call it Watch 8 from now on. And it came in this tufted box, and as you can see it bears a close resemblance to its more expensive counterpart. However, you can feel from the weight and the quality of the paper that this is no real Apple box approved from Tim Cook. Inside we find the watch itself, a wristband and a charger puck. The charger doesn't weigh anything at all and it feels like the cheapest plastic ever. The rubber wristband actually feels like rubber, but I'm not sure that I would trust this to keep my watch safe to my wrist underwater. Lastly, we also get this user's manual in both English and Chinese, so we can learn about all the amazing features of this watch. But now to the important part. This is how the Watch 8 looks side by side to the Apple Watch Ultra. And I'm not gonna lie, to the naked eye this is not a bad clone in terms of design. I mean, of course it weighs like plastic weighs and you can feel that this is a cheap product, but they've actually done a good job making it look like an Apple Watch Ultra. Until you flip it over, that is. While the Apple Watch Ultra is packed with sensors that will measure all your health data for you, the Chinese Watch 8 actually has a sticker under it. It also has the green quality control sticker under it, which I think might be a scam, to be honest. The watch came without any juice, so I had to charge it to be able to use it, and this is how the charging animation looks. And of course I had to try whether the Watch 8 wristband worked for my Apple Watch Ultra, and while it fitted in terms of dimension, it didn't lock in place, so I could easily just tear it off should I want that. And as I said before, I would never in my life trust this to hold my watch in place underwater, not on land either, to be honest. And now to see if the chargers work with the respective watches. First the original charger, and it works with the original Apple Watch of course. And surprisingly enough, it seems to be working with the Chinese Watch 8 as well. However, the other way around, nothing happens. The Apple Watch Ultra doesn't even react to something being attached to it. And this is how they look side by side on my wrist, and as I've mentioned before, I'm sure that you could fool anyone that you have the real Apple Watch Ultra. You also get a few different watch faces to choose from, although none of the widgets seems to be working, they're all static and part of an image. The time itself is, at least as far as I can see, the only thing that changes. Build quality and physical design aside, the by far biggest differences of the original Apple Watch Ultra and the Watch 8 is of course the operating system. Watch OS on the Apple Watch is a finely tuned operating system where exactly everything has been thought through with millimeter precision. It's responsive, intuitive and extremely user-friendly, while the Watch 8 has a choppy and buggy system that even scares away the first Apple Watch released back in 2015. And as for features, the Apple Watch is packed with different apps that will measure your health data, help you with your training, help you calm down and much other. The Watch 8 just tries to copy some of this, but of course it fails miserably. So yeah, that's been it for this short comparison of the Apple Watch Ultra and the Watch 8 Ultra Low Power Consumption. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it helped you realize that you should stick to the real deal. Of course, if you're one of those who wants to look like you have the latest but don't want to spend $800, I'm sure that the Watch 8 would work just fine, but be sure not to let anyone try it out though. Please give this video a like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching, Tech Cravers out.